Impermanence. What a thing of beauty, I know, will never fade away. But it does. I, you, our achievements. Also this car. It would be very expensive to fix it. Rust and age-old scars are catching up to it. I'm not emotionally attached to it. Not anymore, I think. But those 50,000 miles over 6 or so years, they meant something. For me and for some others. Being holed up with heater on maximum in Wales after incredibly wet hike. Conquering roads in Scotland, weeks in and weeks out. Many other adventures. What a thing of beauty, I know, will never fade away. What you did to me, I know. So what you have to say?